It's your boy Timon, and today for our very first mod, we are going to be installing some side markers for the Civic Type R. So I bought these USR side markers on Amazon for about 80 bucks. I'm pretty sure you can find them cheaper. I just shopped for the first thing that was on there. But it came with this little picture and, you know, greetings and everything. And this is the side markers right here. I got the one with the white LEDs instead of the orange. So let's see how these look. So this is the side-by-side comparison right here. So let's get this baby unplugged and plug the new one in. So you're gonna need a Phillips head screwdriver and a flathead. And then you're gonna wanna take out these two screws right here. One right here and the other right here. So I'm gonna take those two out and show you the rest. Yep, so after you take these two out, it'll give you leverage to pull the fender liner back a little bit, and there's gonna be two tabs which you're gonna have to push. You're gonna have to push right here. So you just push that in. I don't know if you guys can see it because of the glare. You push one of them in and there should be a second one that you do also. So there's one tab and there should be a second one back there, but so both tabs out, I just have to unplug the back piece right here. So there's gonna be a tab on the connector. You just wanna push in and I can see the tab and just kind of like push in and flick out in a way. Right there. There we go. Now it's out. So basically, this tab right here,
push down.
You push down. It's gonna be like this. So you're gonna push down and try to find your way to pull out. And if you want to be safe with the paint, like how I should be doing, you can mask it off right here, just in case, so you don't damage your paint. So now you're just gonna connect this back in. I'm gonna leave it like this for now. I'm gonna make sure the lights are working.
Alright guys, so this is the light when it's off. And this is the light when it's on. It's pretty clean.
It's hard to see because it's in daylight. So now that you know it's working,
we could fully click it in and be all set with this side.
And then we'll do the other side. Boom.
Boom. And then you just make sure you reconnect the fender lining screws.
Yep. So since I already showed you guys the other side, I'm just gonna time lapse this side.
It clicked in already?
Yep. Put it in first here and then push in. Alright guys, so it's currently the next day, but there was a lot of people parking next to me and I just felt uncomfortable, so I was like, I'll come back and do it. As you guys just saw, the light was on and then it turned off. But these are how the side markers look. I do like how they look, how it complements the car. And one thing I would probably say is fitment on the left side is really good. So now if you come to the passenger side, I've tried everything in my power and it just doesn't line up and it's kind of loose. I don't know why. I mean, if you guys have any suggestions or what I could do, I mean, I took it out like 20 times, tried to line up the holes in the back and put it in, but this gap is kind of like, but yeah, so that's it for the side markers install. Alright guys, so that's it for today's install video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Give it a like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace!